Merry Christmas! These are Christmas pom-poms because I love Christmas. Today, we're gonna be setting up the Airbnb for Christmas.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing.
It's a pretty star.
It's so
Let's see Mr. Baby put it up.
waking up on Christmas.
You got an itch?
Children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere.
We have the beautiful tree. It's 9 foot tall. Originally $400 from Lowe's, but I got it at the liquidation store for like $200. Brand new. Well, I found it on Facebook Marketplace. And I just wanted to show you guys all the ornaments I got just for fun because, you know, we love a haul before I put them up. So my main pretty ornaments are from Target. This is my color scheme that I am aiming for because I thought that this house was more attuned to these colors, and red and green, which I love, wouldn't really work in this space because it's so neutral. And I love these because there's a bunch of animals and cute things. The next main ornaments are these. I got these for literally $5 at Bed Bath & Beyond. They're pretty plastic looking, but we're on a budget, so. Then I got these tiny ones from Target as well. This was like $3 or $5, $3, something like that. And I thought maybe I could put them on the garlands or the tree if I need them. I got these for like $6 at Walmart just in case I needed more because the tree is so big. And I like that there's white ones here, which I don't really have white ones. These guys I also got for the garland, and they're a pretty gold. And then I found this from this Amazon bin return store, and I got this for $2, and it matches perfectly with the gold ones. I'm not going to use the black ones probably, but I'm also going to put them on the garland. And then I got a bunch of these cute trees from also Bed Bath & Beyond. They were like $3 or something each. And these cute wooden bead ones. The wooden beads are kind of coming off, so I have to glue them back. The last thing, which I'm so excited about, is this tree skirt from Bed Bath & Beyond. And it was only $21, and it's reversible. It's reversible to this green plaid pattern, but I'm gonna use this pattern because it's neutral and it matches the decor. So that's it. Let's start decorating. I'm so excited. I have a bucket that I collected from Maria's house of pine and pine cones, and we're gonna make a pine cone garland. We're gonna attach the pine needles to the garland. Then I got these, 3 of these at Walmart. Cheapest garland I could find, but I don't like how dark the beads are. I think they're gonna blend into the tree. So my idea is to bleach them and see what happens. Let's bleach them.
So as you can see, they did get a little bit lighter, but not too much. Now, these pine cones smelled so wonderful. They made the whole house smell like pine trees. Highly recommended. And I'm just baking them for a few hours in the oven to remove any sap or insects that might be on them so that we can have them safely around the house. If you decide to wrap them around string like I did, I would highly recommend not getting them tangled because it takes forever to take it apart. So I just strung them on these chairs to prevent that. And we actually didn't end up using the string because it just looked too sparse and weird, and we ended up just hooking each individual pine cone to the garland using some wire we had. We decorated the fireplace mantle as well, and this is the same garland that's on the staircase. And it's originally $40 from Target, but I got it from the same place that I got the Christmas tree, and it was only $18. We had a piece of the garland hanging down at first, but then it actually started to melt from the fireplace, so we had to put it back up. And I also wanted to make sugar cookie ornaments, and it's just a combination of baking soda, cornstarch, and water. And they turn out to be these really cute cookie looking ornaments that you can decorate any way you want. When it's done, it's supposed to look like mashed potatoes, and you're supposed to cover it with a wet cloth and then put it in the fridge.
What's nice is that when I spilled a whole jug of water, I had to wipe it up with this cloth, so it's already wet. Ooh, a snowflake. A little angel. Oh, it's gonna work to imprint it. Oh, it's stuck. That's a funny looking angel. The face. I'm using a screwdriver thing to make holes, and I made them too thin, so I broke a bunch.
So these look cute before they're baked, but once they were baked, they turned out to be a little bit too crumbly, so maybe I did something wrong. And I also made the mistake of putting sprinkles on them, so they melted. And some of them are too thin, so they broke.